Now it is.
Okay.
You're in charge.
All
Marion's magic needle.
Yeah, okay.
Congratulations.
Today we are making little pouchy thingies. But we're not doing out of seed sacks because I don't have any. Okay, so Amber, this is what I did. I cut out the same size rectangles that she was using, which are a 6 by 12. They can be any size though, so don't worry about that. If you want to change the shape, that's easy breezy. Then she has 2 pieces that are 2 by 3 inches for the needle, she calls them zipper pulls, but they're really zipper stops. So what you do with those is you take it and you fold it in half and press it, and then take the 2 outside edges and fold them in and press it, and then fold them in half so you've got it all doubled up and there's no raw edges, and once they're pressed they'll look like this. Can you see that?
Isn't that wonderful?
Now go to your computer and type "thank you" 2 times and the video will continue. Okay, so once we've got the zipper pulls, that's there. And if I were doing a whole bunch, Amber, I would actually cut a whole strip of fabric across the width that's 2 inches and press the whole thing and then just have it and cut what you need, because she has a tremendous amount of waste on this. You don't need this amount. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to figure out how big this zipper is. She wanted it at 10.5. I would actually be tempted to go at 10, so it makes it a little bit easier on the turn. So what I would do is you can't sew past the top of this zipper tab. You're going to keep that there, and I would determine where it would be approximately 1 inch from this edge right here, and that's where I would want it to start, and I'd want it to stop 1 inch from this bottom edge. So I should have got a pencil here. Let me get a piece of pen. Okay, so 1 inch from this edge right here is right about here. It's not working very well, but it'll have to do. And 1 inch from here is where it's going to stop. So it's going to stop here, start here. So we have to prepare our zipper first. At the top, we're going to just pull this zipper down just a little way so it's out of the way. And we're going to take this piece, and we're going to have to trim some of that. That's too much. Trim about a 1/2 inch, be a little less than maybe 3/8 of an inch or so past the little stop tabs. Because you're going to want to set this right in here. And you can zip it up at this point too. Let's see. And we want those closed in there, so we're going to pin on that side right there, and then zip this down and then kind of force the other one a little bit closer to it. It's hard to get it if you just stick it up there, so do one side and then unzip a little bit and attach the other. So you're just above the zipper tab right there. Okay? Good.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, Am. Okay, I'm sure you got that all right. Then we're going to go down to our 10.5. That's going to go right about there. We want it to stop right here. Let's see if I got that at 10 inches. Hang on a second. I'm going to have it stop right about there. Okay. Now this is the tricky one because it's on the bottom, and you don't want the teeth to get undone past this point because it's really hard to keep it threaded. So what I would do at this point, I'm going to take the sewing machine, I'm going to do a real below this place here where it's this is as far as you're going to be able to unzip it once it's put in place, and this area down through here is going to be encased in your second zipper, your fabric tab, closing tab. So right below where it's going to end, I'm going to stitch across a few times because I want to make sure it doesn't come undone. Okay, so to the sewing machine. I have to change my feet too.